Hello, my friends, Fun Ashanti Tree lovers. Welcome once again to our audio lessons. Last week, you remember, we learned about how to say, I will be back. Mesan aba. Semekwa mesan aba. Today, we are going to look at this one. I will be away for a while. I will be away for a while. Meko na meche kakra. Meko na meche kakra. Meko na meche kakra. When I go, I'll be there for a while. Meko na meche kakra. Se mekwa meche kakra. Se mekwa meche kakra. Now, remember, we have a Zoom lesson at 11:30 US time. Remember to join us and learn more. Bye for now.